One thing that you're going to need, probably going to want to use a lot, as I use it a lot when I program, is you may want to cut sections through your part geometry. And why would you want to cut a section? Well, when you first open a model, you may not know what the distance is between this little region right here. How much room do you have there? If you had a fillet, you may want to know how far the tool can go down. So in a lot of cases, you just cut a section through there and get a good understanding. Okay, so I'm just going to select one of the views, and I'm going to go to curve geometry. I'm going to use the section curve, and you'll just see this slider right here. Okay, if you notice, the top view is active whenever I selected the section curve. So it's actually selection. If you look at the front view, it's actually sectioning the part so that you have geometry in the front, the top view. Okay, I don't really want to section there, so I'm going to activate the front view and do the section. So now if you look at it, so now you're sectioning through the part. So what I want is I want to section right through the center of the part. So I'm going to use the pick a point, and I'm just going to select, let's see if I can do a curve circle center. Okay. Okay. So you see that I cut a section. Let's go ahead and pick OK. And let's go ahead and go to see what layer that came on. Okay. So let's change that to a different color. Okay. And then let's go over to, that's the front view. Let's go ahead and hide this. Go to the modeling aids. Should pick hide. Okay. Let's get rid of that. So now you can go in here and actually get a better understanding of what type of geometry or distances that you may have to work with. For instance, you can measure and just get some better understanding. So that's one command that you probably will